Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the send button in Gmail is a simple task once you know where to look on different devices. On a desktop computer, start by clicking the Compose button to open a new message window. Look at the bottom left corner of that specific window. You will see a large blue button with the word Send clearly written on it. It sits right next to the various text formatting tools. If you are replying to an existing email, the button stays in that same bottom left area. On the Gmail mobile app for iPhones or Android phones, the layout changes significantly. Look at the top right corner of your screen while writing a message. You will see an icon that looks like a blue or black paper airplane. This icon is the official send button for mobile users. There is usually no text label on mobile devices. If you want to schedule an email for later, look for the small arrow next to the send button on your computer. On a mobile device, tap the three dots in the top right corner to find the schedule option. Sometimes the button might seem missing if your screen zoom is too high. Try zooming out or scrolling down to find it. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to send mail much faster. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl and Enter at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and Enter. These helpful tips ensure you can always find the right button to get your messages delivered quickly and efficiently every single time you use the Gmail platform.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.